Good morning students. This video is to inform you that our CBSE has decided to reduce some chapters from English. So I would like to tell you what chapters have been reduced. So first, this is the book Movements, and now I will tell what are the chapters. This is the index. The first chapter, The Lost Child. The second chapter, The Adventures of Toto. The third chapter, Ishwaran the Storyteller. This has been reduced, so I had crossed it. Next is In the Kingdom of Fools, The Happy Prince, Weathering the Storm in Irsama, The Last Leaf, A House is Not a Home. Then The Accidental Tourist. This chapter has also been reduced. And The Beggar. This is the total list of the chapters in Movements that will come, and these two chapters have been deducted. Now come to the second book. Second book is Beehive. In this, chapter 1, The Fun They Had. Poem, The Road Not Taken. The Sound of Music. They are the two parts, Evelyn Glennie and Bismillah Khan. Both will come. Wind. The Little Girl. Rain on the Roof. A Truly Beautiful Mind. Then poem, The Lake Isle of Innisfree. This will not come. The chapter, The Snake and the Mirror. It will also not come. A Legend of the Northland. My Childhood. No Men Are Foreign. Packing. This poem, The Duck and the Kangaroo, has been reduced. Reach for the Toe. On Killing a Tree. The Bond of Love. The Snake Trying. Next chapter, Kathmandu, has been reduced, and the poem A Slumber Did My Spirit Seal is also reduced. Next come chapter If I Were You. So all these chapters will come and the crossed chapters will not come. Now come to the grammar portion. In grammar, these points will not come. Means these points have been reduced. Use of passive voice, clauses, prepositions, letter on a situation, unseen passage. So all these topics in grammar has been reduced. Okay, thank you.